Need a fast, accurate pipe leak inspection in Perth? At Wizard Leak Detection, we specialise in non-invasive inspections that locate hidden pipe leaks before they cause structural damage or drive up water bills. Our licensed team uses advanced thermal imaging, acoustic sensors and tracer gas systems to detect leaks in walls, slabs and underground pipework without destroying your property. Whether it's residential, commercial or strata, we deliver prompt reports, actionable insights and cost-effective outcomes every time. If you're searching for a professional pipe leak inspection Perth property owners trust, we're ready to assist. Avoid unnecessary excavation, prevent costly repairs and maintain your property's value with Wizard Leak Detection. Call 0447 8315 06 or visit the website at www.wizardleakdetection.com.au for more information for accurate results and peace of mind. Contact the Perth Leak Detection Specialists.